Hello guys and welcome back to another video of Twin Magic. In this video we're gonna tutorial the shortest, we think this is the shortest car magic trick in the world that it's ever exists. So yeah, let's get started. We have a deck of cards. We start to shuffle it. Yeah. And for the last shuffle. Now, the spectator think that everything is clear and fair. So yeah, we tell them to pick a card. We can go through the cards one by one or tell them to say stop. They will say stop right here. I will not see it. I just show it to the camera. I will not see it. I hope the camera will get it. Okay. Now, again, we tell them to put their card somewhere in the middle of the deck. They will say we will put it right here. Look at it again. I will not see it. Just look at it. Okay. And now you start to cut the cards. Now I can easily find your card. This was your card, right? So yeah, this was your card, I think. So yeah, this was the magic, this was the performance. We hope that you like it, you enjoy it. So let's see the tutorial. So for this trick, let me put this card in the middle of the deck. This trick, it doesn't require any setup, so you can shuffle as many times as you want. Again. Let me do a forward shuffle too. So, for this trick, we tell the spectator to choose a card, any card that they want. We can do we can pass the card through. We can through the cards. We can pass. So here's the tutorial. As we say in the performance, we can shuffle the card as many times as you want because it doesn't require any like setup. And of course, the spectator can shuffle the cards too. Again, and for the last time I will do a forward shuffle because it should be very fair. This card doesn't go. I think this card, look, it's like this. So I will put it. If you saw our last video, so you can understand that why it's like that, and yeah, go and watch it. So now it is great. So right now we can pass through the cards one by one, or we can tell the spectator to say stop. You can do both ways. They are beautiful. So okay, they say stop right here. We put their cards on the table. Now, this part is the whole magic. When you can in this part you can shuffle the cards. I just do shuffle. Sorry. So, in this part, again, we tell them, please say stop. Again, first let me show you the card. I will see it too. Four of spades. Okay, let me put this like this. But you should not see it, of course, because I don't have a spaghetti and this is a tutorial. So, they say stop right here. This would be the place that they put their card. When we are putting their card right here, like this, it should be face down like this. We should see the previous card. Look, let me show you again. This time, stop. Okay. It's 7 of clubs. You should remember 7 of clubs in our mind. And of course, we should not show the spectator that we should not show them this card. Okay. Now I put it right here. You don't need any pinky break. This trick, it doesn't work all the time. It does work 99% of time. So yeah, if you want to fool anyone, that is close to you, I mean it's your best friend or something like that, you can do this. And if it's like in a party that everybody, you don't know anyone, so this trick is not for you. And you can go and watch our others video, our previous video. You can learn some cool magic tricks. But of course, as notice and be careful that you should not do riffle or faro shuffle in this card magic trick. You just should cut the cards. So be careful. Do not don't do the faro and the riffle shuffle, because you know it was four of spades. The card was four of spades, and the previous card was seven of clubs. They should be like next to the like. We imagine that this is the four of clubs, four of spades, and this is the seven of clubs. They should be always like this. Okay, they should not become like, if you do a faro shuffle, the card will be between them and the trick won't work. So right now we let us show you the tutorial of this card. You should grab the cards like this with the middle finger and your index finger, and your thumb should be here. After that, you should like this. With your index finger, you should cut the card from half and grab the half with the index finger. Let me show you again. Like this. And now you grab the half of them and you will put the half right here. And now you will put this pile and this pile. It should be like this. Please, each time it should be half of the cards. Look. So yeah, this was all of the performance and the tutorial. So, and let me show you. Before that, be sure that it works. If you know, look, the card that we was looking, that we remember was seven of clubs, and the spectator card was four of spades. Look, if you found this card, be sure that this is the it's not this card, it's this card. This is the spectator's card, like left from left. So yeah, this was the performance and this was a tutorial. So we hope that you like and use it. I know it's very cool card trick. You know, but as I said, if you are in a party that you don't know anyone and you just want to impress everybody, please don't do this trick. And if you're sure and you know some things, if you really want to do this trick, please do it. And if you don't want, please go and check out our previous videos, because we teach lots of cool and great card magic tricks. So yeah, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to see our next videos. Have a nice day and goodbye.